Hey guys, out here at Hell Tour Ranch with the Minty old Taurus here, and she's got a little bit of damage on her from the last Hell Tour. Apparently when I'm going full send and I hear a little bit of banging, I don't let off. So anyways, I've got her back parked and I figured out what it was. The gas tank dropped right out of her and I was dragging it on the ground. So we'll have to get that fixed up somehow before I start ripping again. Not a big deal. I think she can take it. While I'm out here talking about the Taurus, a couple guys asked me if this was an SHO model, but unfortunately it is a SH no. So no high performance. Sure rips though. Guys, so I got the old Taurus Raptor fixed up. Since you can't fix the piss cutter nicely, you gotta do it kind of gangster or redneck. So I don't know if you can see this, but right here I drilled 2 holes in the floor, then run some clothesline under the car, under the gas tank, prop the gas tank up with this beam, cut 2 more holes in the floor, tied off the clothesline. She's as good as it's gonna get. Now I'm gonna probably put $5 of gas in at all times just for race weight. Gotta keep her down, keep performance up. So we're gonna see how it goes.